Hi everyone, welcome back to my new video. On this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to install P6 on iOS 16 easily. There is a PSX emulator for iOS which allow you to play console games on mobile devices. See also Android, Windows, macOS, and iOS version. First, you must open your browser and type provenance emulator. Find the IP version and download that. One such emulator is an application called Provenance, which allows you to play both PlayStation 1 and Nintendo 64 games on an iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch devices. That means you can take your favorite retro games with you wherever you go. Provenance, developed by James Addiman, is a multi-platform. Include PSX emulator for iOS supporting Nintendo, Sega, Sony, Atari, and EC, SNK, and Bandai console system. Wait the download process until finished. You must install the Scarlet and open it. Then you can open the Scarlet apps to find your Provenance download. You must find Scarlet in your browser. Install the Scarlet. Touch the direct install. Wait Scarlet installation. Now you can open the Scarlet and click install. After we install Scarlet, we have to give permission first. Go to your setting menu, find VP, ND, NS, and Device Management. Click the Trust choice. Please look carefully at this video, or you can repeat this video if it's not clear. Now, you must open Scarlet and find the Provenance Download IP app. Wait Provenance installation finished and click install. You must click download too. Now you can open Provenance and must allow the permission. This all-in-one application allows you to play classic games on your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. There are a lot of settings that you can change in the Provenance emulator, such as the game speed, graphic settings, controller settings, and much more. The emulator app is distributed based on GPL. Provenance emulator is already installed. You can use it to play games. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video, guys.